welcome back. Ezra here. Today I want to show you how I tone a canvas. And why would I tone a canvas? I tone a canvas to get a warm underlayer for my painting. I am using burnt sienna artisan from Winsor & Newton. The link for the paint is in the description. The artisan line is a water mixable oil color line, which makes it great for toning a canvas. Since I'm mixing it only with water, it dries much quicker. I get a piece of paper towel, I sink it in water, I make sure that it's quite wet, and then I mix the paint with the paper towel quite well, and then I apply it with the paper towel as a thin wash of color. And once I get the canvas covered the way I want it, I get a new paper towel, a dry one, and wipe it off. And by wiping it off, I make sure that no unnecessary water is left on the canvas. This ensures a shorter drying time. You could tone your canvas with regular oil paint, but it would dry much slower. So here you have it. This is how I tone my canvas. If you have any questions, just ask me below and I'll try to answer them. Thank you for watching.